I spent an hour assembling this queen box spring by myself, and it actually went smoother than I thought. You know when hardware doesn't align and you're left wrestling with it? Nope, every screw fit perfectly. No fidgeting, no guesswork. Everything I needed came in the box. One Allen key and all the hardware, clearly labeled. I didn't have to dig through my toolbox or pause to Google anything. The metal parts are heavy duty and feel solid, not flimsy or wobbly. As I locked in each beam, it started feeling like real stable furniture. The fabric cover was the easiest part. It lays right on top, and the four elastic corners keep it snug and in place, no slipping around. And if it gets dirty, just toss it in the washer. This supports up to 2,500 pounds. You can tell just by handling the parts. It's designed to last, no matter how much weight it carries. If you want a super solid base, don't want to overthink the setup, this is it.